All right, Dirties, Fremont East District. Vamos. Wait. Let's go. Dirty bro, go. Vamos. Yeah, we were just about to go down to the strip, but they won't allow this drink on a bus, so we're gonna have to shut this down.
Who are you talking at, dude?
Go.
Look out of your car, look out your window.
I think this is the part that's really lit at night. At night it's really lit out here, but you know, right now it's kind of too early. It's kind of way too early. Kind of way too early. What's up, bro? I'm good. How are you?
Man, I'm great, brother. Appreciate you asking, man. Hey, my name is David, and I'm with the D.A.R.E program. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with D.A.R E, right?
Yeah.
You know, they changed the program a lot. They focus a lot more like on mental wellness, anti-bullying, and suicide prevention. The government's not funding the program. That's why we're out here fundraising, man.
Yeah. Because I learned about it in school.
Yeah, and now we're trying to keep the program in the school for the new future generations. You know, these kids need it more than ever, man. And something simple like a one-time donation can make a difference. I always like to help out with the kids today, bro.
Oh man, it's hard on the player right now, but you know, let me circle through, see what I can do, man.
I'm saying, man, that's a pretty big Fat Tuesdays cup, bro.
Man, whoo.
However much you spent on, watch it. I know it's busting, ain't it?
Yeah, it's busting.
However much you spent on the Fat Tuesday cup, you can spend half of that for the kids, man. It'll make a difference in the kids' life, brother.
Oh man, you put me on the spot. Yeah, I got to win now, man. I got to win for the kids.
And, you finna go gamble?
We gonna win for the kids.
Hey, listen.
We gonna come back and we gonna hit the
Right. What's your name, King?
Dirty Bro Go.
Dirty Bro Goat, man, out here, man, making a positive impact in the community just with good energy and good smiles. Hey, but we know whatever you put into the universe, it reciprocates times 10, man. So if you want to go hit in the casino, you can drop a small donation, and I guarantee when you go hit big in there, he gonna remember King David gave him the jewels, drop the jewels.
Hey, drop jewels, man. Pick those jewels up. Don't just let them lay there on the ground,
for real, man. Whatever you want out the universe, you go give it first. You give it first, and the universe give it back to you tenfold, man. It's called the law of giving and receiving, man. You gotta go do it, man. Whatever you want in life, you give it out first, and the universe will give it back to you times 10. I promise. Stand on it, man. PBO, positive vibes only, man.
Say less. Say less. Peace, bro.
Peace, peace,
that's what's up. All right. See them jewels you got? You just got? Okay. We're gonna try to come back and hit the kids up, man. You know, those definitely positive vibes that he sent out. We definitely want to reciprocate those vibes out here. I don't think I've ever been this far down on Fremont Street. I think I only been to the Fremont Experience. Yeah, I don't think I ever really been this far down. See, it's motels. I don't know why, but it never dawned on me that there would be hotels in this area. Why it never dawned on me that it'd be hotels in this area, I don't know. Wasn't thinking. All right, vamos. Dirty bro, go. We're gonna do it like a Geo. What the heck is that? Some type of cricket? Okay, I guess we're gonna walk down I guess one more half block and then gonna turn it around. Then we're gonna turn it around. That says Kamala, you're something with the Trump. This is some type of park right there. Container Park. Oh. Alright. We're gonna come back on that side. I think everything over there is made out of some sort of container. Alright. We're gonna double back. Yeah, this casino's all down here.